Explore the unique charm of SUNHUNK's new generation of lightweight self-dumping trucks. SUNHUNK's new generation of lightweight self-dumping trucks KD TB1CK. Change your driving experience. The wear-resistant plate of the carriage makes the frame stronger, no swelling box. The bottom plate frame structure is strong, does not collapse, does not weld, does not arch. The sub-beam uses 700L large beam steel, strong bearing, no deformation, no cracking. New style subframe longitudinal beam, better cooperation with the carriage, more stable driving. GOT steel automated welding technology, machine vision inspection, intelligent manufacturing high standards. Structure upgrade with the application of K450 wear-resistant plate. Lower weight, stronger carrying capacity, 30% more than ordinary vehicles. The structure of the carriage is reasonable, less welding, less maintenance, high attendance rate. Safe, level hydraulic system, stable lifting operation, intelligent pressure monitoring. First-class intelligent production equipment and process assurance system in China. Choose SUNHUNK's new generation of lightweight self-dumping trucks. You will experience unprecedented driving pleasure and work efficiency. More people choose SUNHUNK for Chinese dump trucks.